Well, I think all cancer centres can improve. Yes, in some places the services are separated organisationally from research and from translational research, and they need to be brought together more effectively, because what we're looking for is to accelerate the advances of science and the cures for cancer into the clinic as quickly as possible. Yes, undoubtedly. OECI's experience is that to form a cancer centre organisationally brings together scientists and clinicians in a really effective way to work together for the challenges that patients are finding with cancer and the surgeons, oncologists are finding in treating and diagnosing cancer. So we are wholly supporting the formation of new comprehensive cancer centres in Europe. We believe this is a very important challenge for the EU cancer mission yet to be launched. Our experience is that big cancer centres really can treat all cancers except for the very rarest. And so the oncology teams learn from one another in the different tumour types. And so comprehensiveness really means the ability to treat almost all cancers apart from the very rarest, and to accelerate research into the clinical care of those patients. Well, the evidence that OECI has is that perhaps comprehensive cancer centres treat around 20% of newly diagnosed cancer patients in Europe. And it would be impossible for that to be increased, for all patients to be expected to be treated in a very large centre. And so the challenge in Europe is to have equity of access and equity of treatment right the way across Europe. So networking is the key to that problem. And comprehensive cancer centres should be forming, and many of them have, effective networks in their region or their county with general hospitals, with other institutes or clinics, so that they are using the expertise of the centre and the hub really effectively to treat patients in that entire region. Well, we found that cost is not an issue when forming a cancer centre. The real issue is political and diplomatic. It's about reducing the silos. It's about bringing people together. It's a management change, an organisational change, and sometimes a culture change as well. So wherever you are in Europe, cost should not really be a barrier to forming new cancer centres.